Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install MySQL Workbench on your Mac. Let's get started. We are going to download MySQL Workbench by visiting dev.mysql.com, and then we are going to choose the appropriate macOS version for our Mac. dev.mysql.com, and then we are going to navigate to the download section. We're going to scroll down and look for MySQL Community Downloads. Under the MySQL Community Downloads, we are going to look for the MySQL Workbench, and we are going to download the appropriate macOS version for our Mac. I'm currently running on an Intel-based Mac, meaning that I'm going to install the 64-bit x86 version. But if you are on an ARM-based processor, I'm going to advise you to download the ARM version. But because I'm running on an Intel-based Mac, I'm going to install the x86 64-bit version. Let's download it. This one is totally optional. We are going to just go for no thanks, just start my download. Install MySQL Workbench by locating the DMG file that we have downloaded, and then we are going to drag and drop it into the applications folder. We are going to double click it and drag and drop it to the applications folder. In our third step, we are going to open MySQL Workbench by launching it from our applications, and we are going to allow any permissions if prompted. We are going to navigate to our launchpad, and we will see MySQL Workbench installed. We are going to double click it. We have successfully installed MySQL Workbench on our Mac. In our fourth step, we are going to connect to our MySQL Server by adding a new connection and entering our server details. We are going to add our MySQL connection by clicking the plus icon. We are going to make sure that the host name matches to our MySQL Server IP address and the port number matches to our port on our MySQL Server, which is 3306, and my MySQL Server is hosted on localhost, meaning that our IP address is either localhost or 127.0.0.1. We'll give our connection a name. Let's call it Plura, and let's click OK. We are going to double click on our created connection and input our MySQL Server password. As you can see, I have a schema called Plura, which has tables, and I can query anything that is on one of the tables. So let's query everything that is on the user table. It is currently telling me that we have a problem here. Let's put use Plura. So we are referring to the Plura schema, and then we are going to select everything from user. We currently have zero rows returned on our users table, which means that there is no data on our users table. We have successfully installed MySQL Workbench and it is ready to use. It's up to you to explore database and start querying data to the tables. Thank you very much. If you would like to support me, feel free to like and subscribe to my channel.